Hello, I'm going to show you how to do a bar reveal with a gradient color. So in Cheetah Builderall. So you have to know that it works only on desktop because of one feature, which is the rotation of the element, which doesn't work on mobile or tablet. So if you do this, it's for desktop. On the mobile version, you just hide the element. What we need is to take a progress bar, so it's in add element and animated elements. You choose the progress bar, and inside what you do is make a border quite big. I put 5, and so in the counter you start from 100 to 0, let's say in 10 seconds. And for the colors, I've chosen the not the border, for the colors, general colors. The background color is transparent, so you see here I put opacity at 0. And for the bar color, it's white or any other color that you want with full opacity. And what it does at the moment, if I click on preview, you will see it goes down. Maybe we don't see it very well, but it goes down from 100 to 0. And what we want to do is to be a progress bar with a gradient. So for this, you can take an image. So you control exactly with the image. You do this format, about the same size as the progress bar, and you can do a better gradient. Here, I just took a box, so the element box, and in the color, the background, I choose a gradient from red to green. But let's say here you wanted to have a better gradient with 3 points from red to yellow, and then from yellow to green. In this case, you should either you can put 2 boxes, so you can do it, or the simplest is to make an image, so you can control the gradient you want, or any image in fact. And then what you want to do is to put the box underneath the progress bar. So the progress bar will cover the box exactly. So let's do like this. And when you do preview, you should see no color outside. Here we see a color beneath, so below. So we need to move a little bit down and preview. Here it's perfect. We don't see the color outside of the border, but you see it's going this way. We want the reverse actually. So to do that, the only way is to rotate the box, the progress bar. So we rotate it 180 degrees like this, and now it's reverse. You can see here. So when you say preview, if it lets me, yes. When you say preview, it does this. So it's white, and then it reveals as a gradient. So for the visitor, it looks like the progress bar is of gradient. So the white could be another color. If you click here, you change the color of, so not the background, because the background is transparent so that we can see the gradient. But the bar color, here instead of being white, it could be red. So now what we see is a red bar, and then it reveals slowly. We will see it's a red bar, and up on the left it opens, and then it becomes green. So maybe red is not the best color to start with. Blue could be better, so the change will be visible. So here you have it, but on the mobile version it will not work, because if you want to see, but you can try, because it's not rotated. So the effect, as you will see, is not good. See, it starts from here, and also this you could correct it, but the effect is not good. So in this case, you simply hide. So you take this and you hide it. You hide the progress bar and also the box. So on the mobile version and tablet version, there will not be this effect, only for desktop. And that's it for this tutorial. Bye bye.